一骑小车。上不上厕所啊？我去啊。All of this is a marine park sanctuary zone through here. Then we'll go up to the lighthouse, we'll slow down through there. There's quokkas through the tree line. Now they are more nocturnal than anything, you don't see many through the morning. But what we'll try and do is see them under the trees as we drive up, get next to the lighthouse. And then as we come back down, I'll take you all up the middle road back to here and we'll go slow through these salt lakes. Around the island where they've made territory shelter shade, and they love trees for territory. Like there's not trees all over the island. Wherever there are trees, you're more likely to see quokkas. Say during the daytime, maybe having a quokka nap under a tree, or just feeding, foraging, and they can be part of family groups and territory groups as well. The tailwind from the cyclone up north. So I'll just stop briefly next to this bus stop post. I've got to let some people know that this is a private charter too. So this bus is not for people trying to just hop on. The wreck down there to the left is used to be all through Perth, all through the southwest, but unfortunately due to urbanisation, settlement urbanisation, they've been wiped out. They do exist deep southwestern Australia, which a lot of people don't know about. So we've got the largest population of quokkas here on the planet. And there's a lot of revegetation going on, young growth forest, being planted and single trees being planted around the island. Here's a more mature one, young growth coming up now on the left, so only indigenous, not too far. Native seagrass down here. Boats are allowed to anchor to the left in the shallow on the sand. And then where you see the yellow marker, the buoy floating over there, that's where the sanctuary zone starts from and goes for a kilometre. And you do see eagles around the island. I'm thinking that could be an eagle down there now. Yeah, osprey. Oh, it looks like a cormorant. You do see osprey sea eagles flying around looking for fish too around Rottnest. Does it grow any further south? Only this far south from Ningaloo. Refar because we've got more of a Mediterranean-like climate around the island. Our waters are a little bit warmer than mainland waters, which has allowed coral to survive and thrive for well over 100,000 years. So that's one of our three largest salt lakes to the left. That's like now on the left hand side we've got Lake Herschel, and on the right hand side we've got Government House Lake.
Mouse. I can't get her to whistle on command, unfortunately.
Oh my god.
The feathers are beautiful, look at that.
Is he living not?
No, we just came over for the day.
Hello.
So yeah, that's what it is. So don't touch them. Yeah. Take all your selfies and whatnot. Yeah. Thank you. How are you all today? It's just reminding you all not to touch your feet with quokkas while you're here as well. Yeah, I saw you trying to go to touch him. So just remember not to do it.
Tới đó cho ta lại bố không vậy đó.